Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to this course. So my name is Mandy Tardif. I'm going to be walking you through this entire course. But before we launch into it, I first want to just put this out there that you have a map inside of you. You have an intuition. You have the answers inside of you. So there's going to be a lot of information in this course, a lot of things that I say. I want you to listen to it. I want you to then take what resonates with you and leave the rest, knowing that this is all just information that I have gathered from my life experience. We are different people. The point to all of this is for you to rediscover your own worth, for you to remember who you really are, for you to extend love and compassion to yourself, for you to gain clarity, for you to be able to know what the next steps are. And all you need to know is the very next step in front of you. So my hope in this course is that this helps to give you the validation that maybe you didn't even know that you needed. So this course is not really about how to get that guy or how to get your ex back or anything like that. Although this course could help you to bring that person back into your life, and maybe you are meant to be with this person. You are going to find out some things about yourself and maybe where you were blocking your own ability to take in love. And then you're going to end up having this amazing new relationship. The path even to that, or to not being with this person, right? Being with this person, not being with this person. There's a path that's wanting to come up and just be present. And that is the path for you to reconnect, to connect, to deeply connect to yourself, to deeply connect to your higher power, to become whole and grounded and centered and peaceful and calm and feeling like you are not coming from this place of neediness or codependency or people pleasing or any of the things that we might be noticing about ourselves. This is not for us to notice these things about ourselves and then try super duper hard to try to fix ourselves. So if you're coming at this program and you're like, I don't even actually really want to let this guy go, or I still want to make it work, or I'm scared, just know that your honesty is welcome here. In fact, I wouldn't want you to be anything other than honest. Honesty, open-mindedness will help you, and just a willingness to see things different, a willingness to open your mind up to information in this course that you might not have even thought about. Open your mind up to some spiritual help if maybe that's something that you haven't even thought of before. What I also want to address is that I do not like dogmatic rules and cookie cutter, black and white thinking. I think that every person is different, every experience is different, every situation is different. There's no one size fits all. You could say that 90 days of going no contact would be helpful, but maybe after the 47th day, you felt it in your heart that like in order to move forward and in order to get peace for yourself, you really needed to receive this phone call from this person and have maybe one last conversation, or write a letter, or visit this person over coffee, or whatever. I do feel like there's power in removing yourself from a situation for a period of time so that you can see where you might have some obsession or some attachments, so you can detach. How can we know where we're addicted to something if we don't remove ourselves from that thing? And then we see like, oh wow, here I am going to that thing. Why am I doing this? It's like we only see it when we remove it. So in some cases, it's best to sever the ties, to go no contact completely and put some hard boundaries around that. There's other ways you can go about going no contact. It's case by case. So within this whole course, there's lots of information, and most of it is just there to have you come up with your own conclusions, being super gut-wrenchingly honest with yourself. Because at the end of the day, what I'm assuming is that you really want true love in your life. And my assumption is that's not what you're feeling right now, and that's not what you're getting. And you're wanting to understand why, or you're just wanting help. This course is chock full with a bunch of information, from journaling prompts and thought-provoking questions to sharing my story to learning all about euphoric recall, different ways you can go about going no contact, why we can often break no contact, and why do we do that. My hope is by the end of this course and going through all the modules that you will have so much information that you will feel ready, you will feel strong enough to be able to forge ahead. My whole intention with this isn't just to offer solutions for going no contact and then that's it. My whole intention is to stop the entire cycle, is to have people see what this whole entire experience is calling for, which is what I said in the beginning, is a path to become beloved to yourself, to be restored to wholeness, to get to a place where you attract a man from this unbelievably amazing place that maybe you never knew you could get to, because quite frankly, I never knew that I could get to the place that I am right now. I always had a hunch. I always had a dream that I could get to this place. It took me a long time to get here, a lot of pain and a lot of experiences, but now I can see, going back, I have gone through so many experiences in the realm of dating and relationships that I pretty much can help women through anything. I mean, just pick a topic, be like, yeah, been there, done that. I know exactly what to do and what not to do, which is invaluable experience and invaluable information. So I come with this experience, strength and hope, and also compassion and non-judgmental just way about me, because I get it. I get it. And I just want women to feel what I feel and to be where I am. That is kind of encapsulating my intentions in creating this course. So with that being said, let's just launch right in.